Hello everybody and welcome to weekly market update. Even though it is Christmas Eve, it's after the market closed on the 22nd of December. Let's look at this. This is where we look at the big picture of the stock market because it affects everything. I make the same speech every week, but just in case you're tuning in for the first time, it's very important. No matter, even if you're not interested in stocks, where's your pension? It affects everything at all. Not to mention giving us early warning signs about any trouble ahead. Here's the bull market. I'm showing you a very big picture now, going back to 2009. Weekly chart is this little week by week. These little ups and downs here. This blue line here smooths out. It's kind of like an average over time. As you can see, just look at the relative strength indicator up here. Look how in the shaded area that is. And not in this whole time, even when it really had a head of steam on this bull market in early 2013, has it been this, strong? And that keeps it in, sort of looks in perspective for you. I mean, just look at how strong that is, and extended above its moving average. Never even got anything like as high as this. Still not 1987 territory in that regard about being extended above its moving average, but I mean it's getting up there, folks. And it's what I've been saying for the last year, where my system that I teach at this seminar gave the signal to get in just about there. And it's been right all the time for 35 years. And it's been right in this last year as well. Seminars coming up very soon now, January 13th and 14th. If you're not booked into that, you really should go. It's very, very important this year especially, because everything's going to change, the way a lot of things happen. And you need to know. We're going to talk about cryptocurrencies as well as among other things. 13th, 14th, London. If you haven't got an invitation yet, then you probably will get one, or you need to contact me to get one. I would like to see you there. So there's the big picture. Is most definitely a bull market, and a very strong and very extended one. Yes, we haven't even had a correction, and I expect to see one, a healthy one. Sometime soon. Perhaps January hangover is the time where we get one. So look at the very short-term picture then. Here's the day-to-day chart, the last 6 months. I'm still not seeing any sign of distribution, which might be a sign of insiders bailing on this. Quite the opposite. I'm seeing big buying peaks here. Nothing yet to indicate corrections underway. So I have to say the long-term picture is up, the short-term picture is up, and that's why it's been helping our positions go so well. If it had been betting with all the things the stock picks I've been saying, looking over my shoulder to just the things I'm doing. If you'd have done the same as me, you'd have made a lot of money in the last 6 months by being a member of my 99 Club. And that's in the other video that goes with this, that members go to now to look over my shoulder about my individual trades. So if you are a member, there's a special price for you. You're going to get an invite, and I hope to see you in a couple of weeks. If you're not a member, then you really need to become one, because we take things a lot further than this weekly update, and you can copy my methods, and you can really make some good money. Not to mention have a really great weekend and learn a whole lot, not just about stock trading. So short-term trend is up, long-term trend is up. Have a wonderful Christmas, and I will speak to you next week.